Hello. I don't know if you've noticed, but Deborah Siegel's videos are very professional and beautiful, and she is articulate and lovely and looks beautiful. So I'm the other half. I'm the part of you that wakes up in the morning and doesn't put on makeup and doesn't put on any real clothes. This is the part that is going to be where you're right from, I think. So I'm going to be the representation of that part of you. Deborah will be the professional you, and I will be the part of you that rolls out of bed. So I want to invite you to Voice the Pandemic, which is going to be on December 5th. All the information is below, down there. And it's going to be fantastic because it's all women writers. And I'm going to be reading some excerpts from these pieces that these fabulous women have written, and I'm really excited to share that with you because they're just amazing. And I want this to inspire you. I'm lowering the bar, the looks bar here. You can see my hair. Just to let you know, is right from where you are. Express yourself from where you are. So be like you, talk like you, and join Voice the Pandemic on December 5th because crush the patriarchy.